Good morning all of you and welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, La Tomatina. Okay, we will do the exercise of chapter number 9, La Tomatina. So before going to the chapter, I want to request all of you that you should note down all the question answers that I am doing on the blackboard along with the question. Okay, you have to do all the question and answer in your note copy. Okay, so let's go to our chapter, that is chapter number 9, La Tomatina. So open your book, page number 84. Okay, comprehension section. Answer these questions. So what happens? First question is, what happens during the tomato fight? What happens during the tomato fight? So the answer is, every year thousands of people from all over the world reach Banul. Okay, Banul is a place where this tomato fight happens. Okay, a small town in Spain. The city council dumps truckloads of tomatoes in the streets, and when the festival begins, no one is safe from the attack of squishy tomatoes. Every year, thousands of people from all over the world reach Bernal, a small town in Spain. The city council dumps truckloads of tomatoes in the streets, and when the festival begins, no one is safe from the attack of the squishy tomatoes. Get it? So, this festival is celebrated in Spain, and it happens in a small street of Banul. Okay, where thousands of people all over the world they take part in that tomato fight. And once the tomato fight started, no one is free from that squishy tomato. Okay, तो जो टमाटो फाइट वो क्या है, कहाँ पे स्टार्ट होता है, कहाँ पे होता है, वो स्पेन की बनल नाम का छोटी सी सिटी में वो स्टार्ट किया गया था. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि आज तक क्या वो चलते आ रहा है. और उसमें क्या है, बहुत सारे क्या है टमाटर क्या है स्ट्रीट में क्या है डंप किए जाते हैं. ठीक है ना, किनके द्वारा, सिटी काउंसिल, ठीक है ना, म्यूनसिपैलिटीज के द्वारा क्या वहाँ पे डंप किए जाते हैं, और वही टमाटो को क्या है वो खेलते हैं. ठीक है ना, उसको क्या है एक दूसरे को क्या है फेंक कर क्या है मारते हैं, क्या है वो गेम को खेलते हैं. ठीक है ना. Then come to question number 2. What are the rules of tomato fight? Okay, what are the rules of tomato fight? So there are some rules that one should follow while playing this game. So some of the rules are, the rules of the tomato fight are, only tomatoes are allowed. Tomatoes must be squashed before throwing. Okay, so two rules are, only tomatoes are allowed. First thing is only tomato. Except tomato, no other vegetable is allowed to throw in that game. Okay, and before throwing, the tomatoes must be squeezed. Okay, so the pulpy juice of the tomato should be squeezed on. Okay, and afterwards the squeezed tomato should be used for playing the game. Okay, so some other rules are here. Okay, so the third number rule of question number 2 is, participants have to make way for vehicles. Fourth one is, after the second horn, no tomatoes are thrown. Okay, so these are the 4 rules that one participant have to follow before taking part in the fight. Okay, so participants have to make way for vehicles. There are a lot of vehicles that are going on, moving on the street. Okay, so the participants they have to make a way for that vehicle. Okay, after the second horn, no tomatoes are thrown. Okay, so to begin the fight, first horn is blown, and the second horn means that when second horn is blown, it means the fight is over, completed, and no one is allowed to throw tomatoes. Okay, so these are the 4 rules that have to follow by the participant. Then come to question number 3. How is the town cleaned up after the fight? Okay, how is the town cleaned up after the fight? तो टाउन को कैसे क्लीन किया जाता है ये फाइट खत्म होने के बाद, ये गेम खत्म होने के बाद. ठीक है ना। तो देखो गेम्स खेलने पर क्या है, बहुत सारा क्या है जो टमाटर्स वगैरह है वो क्या है थ्रो करते हैं तो बहुत क्या है भर जाते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो उसको क्लीन कौन करता है और कैसे क्लीन करता है। सो आफ्टर द फाइट फायर फाइटर्स गोज डाउन द टाउन while local generously offer the participants their houses for cleaning themselves. After the fight, firefighters goes down the town while locals generously offer the participants their houses for cleaning themselves. Okay, so what happens after the fight is being completed? Okay, after the fight completed, what happens? The firefighters they goes down, they come to the street and they washed away they wash the streets. And what the locals they do, they give their bathrooms, okay, for the participants those who are taking part to clean themselves and be fresh, okay, clean themselves. They what they do, they usually give their bathrooms, okay, so to clean themselves. So what activities are held during the week of festivities? So question number 4 is what activities are held during the week of festivities? तो उस वीक में और क्या क्या फेस्टिवल क्या है किए जाते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का फिर से क्या आंसर बोल दे रहा हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का है नॉट 4। तो फाइट खत्म होने के बाद क्या करते हैं, जो फायर फाइटर्स होते हैं वो आते हैं स्ट्रीट में, सभी टमाटर्स को क्या है जो गिरे रहते हैं उसको क्या साफ सफाई करते हैं। उसके बाद जो लोकल पीपुल होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अपने घरों को अपने बाथरूम को क्या है दे देते हैं, किनको देते हैं वो पार्टिसिपेंट्स को, ताकि क्या वो अपने आप को क्या है क्लीन कर सके और क्या है फ्रेश हो सके, ठीक है ना। इतना जेनरसिटी क्या है उनमें रहता है। देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे। सो एक्टिविटीज दैट आर हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द वीक ऑफ फेस्टिविटीज आर ह्यूज पैरेड्स, फायरवर्क्स एंड फेमस पहला कुकिंग कंटेस्ट। ओके, activities that are held during the week of festivities are huge parades, fireworks and famous Pela cooking contest. So these are some kind of festivities that are observed, okay, after the completion of the game, that is tomato fight, okay. तो टमाटो फाइट खत्म होने के बाद वही वीक में, ठीक है ना, उसी वीक में टमाटो फाइट खत्म होने के बाद वो वीक में और कौन कौन से कंपटीशन रखा जाता है, जैसे कि क्या है पैरेड्स, बहुत लंबा पैरेड होता है, फिर फायरवर्क्स होते हैं, उसके बाद क्या पहला कुकिंग कॉन्टेस्ट भी किया जाता है, ठीक है ना। देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हाउ डिड द ला टोमाटिना फेस्टिवल स्टार्ट। ला टोमाटिना फेस्टिवल कैसे स्टार्ट किया गया था वो हम देखेंगे। Come to question number 5. How did the La Tomatina festival start? How did it started? So no one knows for sure about it. However, in August 1945, during a street fight, one of the participants started throwing vegetables from a stall. Everybody started doing the same. Next year, the same group of young people picked a quarrel on purpose, okay, and used tomatoes this time. Okay, so what happens? So no one knows how the tomato fight started. Okay, so it is believed that in 1945 in August, okay, during the state fight, one of the participants what he does started throwing vegetables from a vegetable stall. Okay, and everybody present there, they also joined them. And in the next year, okay, so the next year the same group of people they started quarreling for some reason, some purpose, and they started throwing the tomatoes, and in this way the tomato fight began in that area, okay. And this time they used the tomatoes, not the other vegetables. Except tomatoes, no vegetables are allowed in this टमाटो फाइट, ओके। तो देखो जो टमाटो फाइट है ला टोमाटिना वो फेस्टिवल कब स्टार्ट हुआ एक्चुअली में किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है, लेकिन कोई कहते हैं, ये बिलीव्ड है, कोई मानते हैं कि 1945 में अगस्त में, ठीक है ना, एक ग्रुप ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स क्या है एक दूसरे के ऊपर क्या है वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह थ्रो किए, ठीक है ना। तो वो जो थ्रोइंग किए, ठीक है ना, वो जो फाइट स्टार्ट हुआ वो नेक्स्ट ईयर से फिर से क्या है वो स्टार्ट, वही दो ग्रुप के जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनके बीच में क्या है वो स्टार्ट हुआ, ठीक है ना। और इस बार वो जो वेजिटेबल्स पहले क्या है, पहले जब हम लोग फाइट स्टार्ट किए तो क्या है वेजिटेबल्स लोग यूज किए, लेकिन इस बार क्या है वो वेजिटेबल्स की जगह पे क्या है दूसरे वेजिटेबल्स की जगह पर टमाटो को क्या है यूज किए। क्यों? क्योंकि जो टमाटोज होते हैं वो इतना क्या है हार्ड नहीं होते हैं, तो जब टमाटो किसी के ऊपर में गिरते हैं, ठीक है ना, तो किसी को क्या है फेल नहीं होता है। ओके, come to question number 6. With what stipulations was the tomato fight restarted? Okay, with what stipulation, with what limitation was the tomato fight restarted? So after some years, okay, after some years, after beginning of this fight, for some years this fight were banned by the government, okay, by the Spanish government. But by the the people of that locality, they protested against the government, and the government was forcefully the government forcefully restarted the fight once again. Okay, so what was the stipulation was the with what stipulation was the tomato fight restarted? So what was the limitations that were given by the produced by the government, okay, that one should follow that stipulation, that limitations, and the fight restarted. So look here, due to the rising pressure, it started again with the stipulation that tomato throwing could only begin with the sound of the horn and end with the horn sounded again. Okay, there is a limitation here. What was the limitation that the government introduced? Okay, the government after rising pressure, after a strong protest from the locality, from the local street, okay, from the people, the government was forcefully restarted this game, but he made some limitations, okay, he made some stipulations that one should follow this limitation. What was the limitation? The limitation was that the fight will begin by the first blow of horn, okay, the game will begin with the first blow of horn and will end with the second blow of horn. Okay, so this was the limitation that government has added here. Also there are some rules, okay, that we have studied earlier. There are 4 rules that have to be followed by the participants. Okay, तो देखो जो फाइट्स था, ठीक है ना, फाइट जो स्टार्ट किया गया था वो कुछ दिनों के लिए क्या चला, कुछ सालों के लिए क्या चला, फिर बीच में क्या है स्टॉप कर दिया गया। इसके द्वारा गवर्नमेंट क्या है वो जो फाइट है उसे क्या है स्टॉप कर दिया, ठीक है ना। लेकिन क्या हुआ, वहाँ के जो लोकल्स थे, ठीक है ना, वो क्या है प्रोटेस्ट किए कि हम ये गेम को फिर से क्या स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन क्या गवर्नमेंट नहीं मान रहा था। तो गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट में क्या वो प्रोटेस्ट किए, ठीक है ना, हड़ताल किए, ठीक है ना, हड़ताल मतलब समझते हो। तो क्या प्रोटेस्ट किए। अब प्रोटेस्ट करने के बाद क्या है जो गवर्नमेंट था वो फोर्सफुली क्या है वो जो फाइट है उसको फिर से रीस्टार्ट किया, ठीक है ना, लेकिन कुछ लिमिटेशन से, ठीक है, कुछ लिमिटेशन उनमें था फाइट में कि जो फाइट है वो फर्स्ट ब्लो ऑफ हॉर्न, ठीक है ना, पहला हॉर्न बजाएंगे तो फाइट स्टार्ट होगा और सेकंड हॉर्न जैसे ही बजेगा जो फाइट है वो कंप्लीट या एंड हो जाएगा। उसके बाद किसी को अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा कि वो टमाटो थ्रो करे। एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव स्टडीड अर्लियर अबाउट द 4 रूल्स दैट वन हैव टू फॉलो, ओके, दैट द पार्टिसिपेंट्स दे हैव टू गिव वे टू द व्हीकल्स, ओके, वहाँ पे जितने व्हीकल्स वगैरह आते हैं, मोटर्स बाइक्स वगैरह कार्स वगैरह आते हैं, उनको वो स्पेस देंगे, ठीक है ना, जाने के लिए रास्ता छोड़ेंगे। ये क्या है वो लिमिटेशन वो रूल्स में क्या है दिया गया है, गेट इट। Then come to A2, give answer for this. The Spanish town in which La Tomatina is held. So it is a one-word answer which we have to write in the blanks provided in the book. Okay, here are some questions. Okay. So come to A2, give answer for this. Okay, first one, the Spanish town in which La Tomatina is held. Okay, the Spanish town in which La Tomatina is held is in Banul. Okay, Banul, B-U-N-U-L, Banul. Second, the month in which the festival begins. The festival begins in the month of August. Okay, not 2nd August, it is August. It is Question number 2 and answer is August. Okay. Number 3. Okay, number 3. The time when the tomato fight begins 11 a.m. So from 11 a.m. to 12 o'clock the festival is continued. Okay, and afterwards after 12 o'clock there is no festival, that the festival is continued only for 1 hour. Okay, that is from 11 a.m. to 12 o'clock. Okay, so the time when the tomato fight begins is 11 a.m. Number 4, the number of tomatoes used during the fight. Okay, the number of tomatoes used during the fight is 1,50,000 tomatoes. So around 1,50,000 tomatoes are used in this fight. Okay, and those tomatoes are of very low quality, that is not fit for eating. The year in which the town council approved the first fight again is 1959. So again in 1959 the fight again begin. Okay, so after a gap of around 10 to 15 years. Okay, and that is first fight begin in 1945, and the second, the town council approved fight again is in the year 1959. That means 10 or 14 years. Okay, after 14 years the fight again begin. Then come to A3 discussion section. That is, La Tomatina has a number of rules that make it safe and more enjoyable. Do you think we should have similar rules for Holi? Discuss in groups of 4. Give reasons with examples for your answer. Okay, here is a discussion that in the festival of La Tomatina there are some limitations that were being imposed by the government. So such kind of limitations, rules should be made while playing Holi in our countries. Okay, so yes, we should also have certain rules for Holi. Yes, we should have some rules for Holi while playing Holi. For example, permissive colors should be banned. Okay, should be used. There should be a time period for Holi celebrations. The people who are not participating in the celebrations should not be troubled, etc. Okay. First one is permissive colors should be used. Okay, so the colors which we are using in Holi, we used in Holi should be the colors that won't affect the skin. Okay, that won't affect the skin. So such colors should be used in Holi. Second point is there should be a time period for Holi celebration. Okay, there should be a stipulated time for Holi celebration, as like how that La Tomatina festival is celebrated for 1 hour. In the same sense, the Holi should be played for some hours. Okay, what we usually do is that we start our Holi from the morning 7 a.m. and till 4 or 5 o'clock we play the games. So there should be a time limit for this Holi. Okay. The next point is the people who are not participating in the celebrations should not be troubled, etc. Okay. So the people, there are few people who doesn't get indulged in the Holi. Okay, they do not take part. They do not participate in Holi. So such people should be exempted. Such people should not be troubled. Okay, by other one, those who are playing. तो यहाँ पे जो डिस्कशन सेक्शन उसमें कहा गया है कि जैसे कि जो ला टोमाटिना फेस्टिवल है, ठीक है ना, वो कुछ लिमिटेशन के साथ क्या वहाँ पे खेला जाता है. तो हमको होली में कुछ ऐसे लिमिटेशंस फॉलो करना चाहिए, ठीक है ना. यस, वी शुड फॉलो सम रूल्स फॉर होली. होली के लिए कुछ रूल्स क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए. तो कुछ पॉइंट्स है जैसे कि परमिसिव कलर्स. तो कलर्स क्या है, अच्छे क्वालिटी के होने चाहिए. वो कलर हमको यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए जो कि क्या है स्किन को क्या है अफेक्ट करता हो, स्किन प्रॉब्लम क्या क्रिएट करता हो, वैसे कलर को क्या बैन कर देना चाहिए, ठीक है ना. उसका क्या है, देयर शुड बी अ टाइम पीरियड फॉर होली सेलिब्रेशन. अब होली सेलिब्रेशन के लिए क्या कुछ टाइम पीरियड होना चाहिए. जैसे कि ला टोमाटिना फेस्टिवल में 1 घंटा का फेस्टिवल चलता है, तो होली के लिए कम से कम क्या है बहुत ही कुछ टाइम क्या है देना चाहिए, ठीक है ना. कुछ टाइम के हमको होली खेलने के लिए देना चाहिए. हम क्या करते हैं होली में इतना मतलब एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं कि सुबह से लेकर क्या है शाम तक हम क्या उसको खेलते रहते हैं. तो दिस शुड नॉट बी हैपेंड. ओके, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। द पीपल हु आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द सेलिब्रेशन शुड नॉट बी ट्रबल एटसेट्रा। ओके, तो कुछ पीपल होते हैं जो कि क्या होली खेलना पसंद नहीं करते, फिर भी क्या है जो होली खेलते हैं, जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो क्या है उनको ट्रबल करते हैं, जबरदस्ती क्या घर से खींच लाते हैं या बाहर बैठ रहे हैं तो क्या जबरदस्ती रंग लगाते हैं। ये सब चीज़ क्या है नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, सो कम टू योर वोकैबुलरी सेक्शन। Come to vocabulary section B1. Write the sound words given in the help box. Okay, we have to what we have to do. We have to write the sound. Okay, sound words given in the help box. Using the help box, we have to write the sound words. Give the correct pictures. Okay, give the correct picture. So first one is your first pic. Pic means your picture here. First picture is crick. Okay, this picture is crick. Second picture is snap. Okay, second picture is snap. Third picture is ding dong. Okay, third picture is ding dong. Fourth picture is gurgle. Okay, fifth one is crickety clack. Okay, sixth picture is thunder. So this is the sound that are produced by the picture. ठीक है ना, और पिक्चर द्वारा क्या है प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है साउंड। पहला साउंड क्या क्रिक, ठीक है ना। जब हम दरवाजा खोलेंगे तो कैसे साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, क्रीक 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 करके क्या है साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, ठीक है ना। सेकंड क्या स्नैप, स्नैप मतलब क्या चुटकी बजाते हैं, ठीक है ना। सेकंड जो साउंड है वो स्नैप साउंड क्या है प्रोड्यूस करता है, ठीक है ना। थर्ड क्या है डिंग डोंग। ओके, जब हम डोर की क्या है बेल को बजाते हैं तो कैसा साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, डिंग डोंग क्या है साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, ठीक है। फोर्थ वन इज गरगल, है ना। फोर्थ वन इज गरगलिंग साउंड। तो भाई जब हम किसी पैन में, ठीक है ना, किसी टब में क्या है पानी गर्म करते हैं गैस में तो कैसे साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, गरगल 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 क्या है वो साउंड क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है। उसमें क्या जो ट्रेन होते हैं, ठीक है ना, ट्रेन की जो प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, टिकटिक लैग क्या है वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। और क्या लास्ट जो है थंडर, कैसे जो बादल होते हैं वो कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो थंडरिंग स्टाइल क्या है, थंडरिंग क्या है साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, ठीक है ना। देन कम टू बी टू वर्क इन पेयर्स एंड फाइंड द onomatopoeic words given the box in word search group. Then write what to mix each of this sound. यहाँ पे कुछ साउंड वगैरह है और यहाँ पे हमको क्या है कुछ एनिमल्स का नाम क्या है फाइंड आउट क्या है करना है कि वो साउंड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, ठीक है ना। पहला क्या है म्याऊ, ठीक है। म्याऊ कौन प्रोड्यूस करता है, कैट। ओके, म्याऊ म्याऊ कौन करता है, कैट। देन हू डज क्वैक, क्वैक डक। ओके, क्विक बर्ड, hoof dog, bark sheep, honk bulls, nine horse, moo cattle, squeak mice, hoop monkey. So these are some sounds. Okay, these are some sounds. Okay, these are some sounds produced by animals. Okay, these are sounds produced by these are animals produced by these animals. Okay, then come to your grammar section. So grammar section, a word that is used to join other words, phrases or sentences is called a conjunction. So conjunction is a word which joins words, phrases or sentences. Okay, there are several coordinating conjunctions like for, and, not, but, or, yet, and so these are your 7 coordinating conjunctions. Okay, they can be collectively called fan boys. Okay, shortly we can call them as fan boys. F-A-N, fan B-O-Y-S boys. Fan boys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for short. So fan boys is a short term for coordinating conjunction. Okay, and you have already learned about the conjunctions and, or, but, and so. To write the correct conjunctions wherever a joining word has been used incorrectly, tick the sentences that need more change. तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या है जो सा कंजक्शन इनकरेक्ट है उसको कट करके लिखना है तो सेंटेंस में, ठीक है ना, और जो सा सही है उसको हम क्या है टिक मार्क क्या है कर सकते हैं या फिर करेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वुड यू लाइक टू ड्रिंक योर मिल्क विथ कॉफ़ी बट चॉकलेट, बट जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है, तो बट का क्या होगा सही, और। ओके, करेक्ट आंसर विल बी योर और। So the sentence will be, would you like to drink your milk with coffee or chocolate? Okay. Come to second question sentence, that is, he loves to read books or there is no library near his house. Okay, he loves to read books or there is no library near his book. Here or is incorrect one. Why? But we have to use but instead of or to make it is a correct sentence. Okay, so the correct sentence will be, he loves to read books but there is no library near his house. Okay, then come to third sentence. My school bag is full of copies, books and papers. So this sentence is correct one, so no need to change anything else. Okay, fourth one, my foot began to swell so I went to see a doctor. Okay, my foot began to swell so I went to see a doctor. This sentence is also correct, so we can write correct or we can just click a mark. Okay, you can click a mark or you can also write correct. Come to fifth number sentence. The teacher asked us to read the lesson but answer the question. Okay, here the teacher asked us to read the lesson but answer the question. Okay, so here but is incorrect and we have to change but to or, so sorry, but to and. Okay, the teacher asked us to read the lesson and answer the questions. Number 6, my father and I went to watch a cricket match. Okay, my father and I went to watch a cricket match. So this sentence is correct one, no need to change anything. C2, let's learn about the rest of the coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so for is used to tell the reason for something, already mentioned in the earlier statement. Okay, for is used to tell the reason. Not is used in the sense of and not. For example, not a house nor a tree was left standing. Okay, so not is used in the sense of and or not. ठीक है ना. Yet जो है इसमें यूज होगा, yet is used when we want to introduce something that is in contradiction to what has been mentioned earlier. That she has a good job yet she never seems satisfied. And we put a comma before yet. Yet के बाद से comma put करते हैं. Okay. So match these sentences and write the correct conjunctions. Okay, using the word like for, nor and yet. Okay, for, not and for, nor and yet. So using for, nor, yet we have to make the sentence. Okay, first one is Samir runs fast. Okay, first one will be your B. Okay, so the answer of one will be B. Samir runs fast yet he does not take part in relay race. Okay, ठीक है. तो ये देखो तुम लोग का क्या है, मैच द कॉलम से. ठीक है ना, इनको क्या है मैच करना है और जो ब्लैंक्स है ब्लैंक्स में ये सब क्या है पुट हमको क्या है करना है. ठीक है ना, इसको यूज करके फॉर, नॉर और येट, फॉर, नॉर और येट को यूज करके क्या है हमको यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स को क्या है फिलअप करना है. तो पहला सेंटेंस क्या है, समीर रन्स फास्ट. ठीक है ना, समीर रन्स फास्ट, इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा, इसका मैच करो. ठीक है, वन का बी होगा, वन का बी होगा. समीर रन्स फास्ट येट he does not take part in relay race. ठीक है ना, तो वन का बी. ठीक है ना, टू का क्या होगा, my friend walked out of restaurant. ओके, my friend walked out of restaurant का होगा टू का सी. ठीक है ना, टू का सी का क्या होगा for. ठीक है ना, my friend walked out of the restaurant for you like riding a bike. Okay, number 3, he does not like to read. Okay, does not like to read, not he does he like to play. Okay, so it is your nor, it is not your nor, it is your nor. Okay, and you are not. Okay, he does not like to read nor and or nor does he like to play. Okay, he does not like to read nor does he like to play. Fourth one, you are so cold. Okay, you are so old, you are so old. Okay, Okay, so match the columns. Okay, one will be B and the blank, in the blanks you have to write yet. ठीक है ना, blanks पे yet लिखना है. वन का B, टू का C में होगा 4, थ्री का D में होगा nor, फोर का C में होगा 3, टू का E में होगा 4, थ्री का D में होगा nor, फोर का C में होगा yet, फाइव का A में होगा nor. ठीक है ना, इसको कैसे हम लिखेंगे? वन का B होगा Sami runs fast yet he does not take part in relays. My friend walked out of the restaurant. टू का E होगा for he could not tolerate the loud music. He does not like to read nor does he like to play. You are so old yet you like riding a bike. नॉट का क्या होगा? yet होगा. You are so old yet you like riding a bike. I cannot go to the party on Sunday nor on I cannot go to the party on Saturday nor on Sunday. Okay, then come to C3. Insert the punctuation marks and use capital letters wherever necessary. Here we have to use the punctuation marks and we have to use the capital letters wherever it is necessary. Okay, so the punctuation marks are your full stop, comma, okay, your question mark, exclamation mark and apostrophe. Okay, so first one is, why are we in such a hurry to reach the railway station? Why? W. First one will be your capital letter. Okay, first one will be your capital letter. Okay, that we have already learned about the sentence. That the sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or exclamation mark or question mark. Okay, first one, why are we in such a hurry to reach the railway station? Okay, so first one will be your capital letter and the punctuation mark will be your क्वेश्चन मार्क. ठीक है ना, लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क देना है. सेकंड में देखो, अनिल्स डॉग इज कीन टू गो आउट फॉर ए स्ट्रोल. तो अनिल क्या है, उसमें क्या है, पहला जो लेटर है कैपिटल नहीं है, कैपिटल बनाओ. ठीक है, अनिल्स एस के ऊपर क्या है, एन के बाद क्या है, एपोस्ट्रोफी देना है. अनिल्स डॉग इज कीन टू गो आउट फॉर ए स्ट्रोल, लास्ट में क्या फुल स्टॉप देना है. ओ माय गॉड, ठीक है ना, ओ माय गॉड उसके बाद क्या है, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क देना है. I have spilled the milk. I have spilled the milk की बात है, फुल स्टॉप देना है. ठीक है ना, वर्ड को जो कैपिटल लेटर बनाना है जी. देन फोर्थ नंबर, आई एम सॉरी आई एम लेट. पहला जो लेटर है वो कैपिटल होगा, आई एम सॉरी. सेकंड जो लेटर है वो क्या कैपिटल होगा, आई एम लेट. लास्ट में क्या है, फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. मे आई हैव अनदर कुकी प्लीज. ठीक है ना, मे आई हैव अनदर कुकी प्लीज, ये क्वेश्चन मार्क है लास्ट में होगा. ठीक है ना. माय मदर, पहला वाला कैपिटल होगा. माय मदर बॉट फूड पर कॉमा वेजिटेबल्स एंड सम सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स. ड्रिंक्स बात है, फुल स्टॉप लगेगा. ठीक है ना, ये दोनों का है C3 जो कि पंक्चुएशन मार्क का यूज करके सेंटेंस को लिखना है. ठीक है ना. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. ओके, कम टू C4. So work in pairs and punctuate the given passage using capital letter, full stop, commas, exclamation marks, question marks and inverted commas. Okay, here is a paragraph given. There's no punctuation marks are given, no capital letters are written. Okay, so we have to find out such sentences where we have to use the capital letters, full stops, commas, question marks, exclamation marks, full stop, inverted commas. Okay, so this is this is your platform. Okay, where we have put our question marks, okay, or exclamation, inverted commas. Okay, so let's see here. First one is your capital letter, last Friday, comma, our teacher said, comma, inverted comma. We are going to, this is your capital letter. Okay, this is your capital letter. We are going to the old fort tomorrow. Okay, please reach the bus stop by 7 o'clock. Inverted comma. Sohan remarked, wow, what fun. Okay, this is an inverted comma, exclamation mark. Mohan asked Sohan, have you been to the old fort before? Sohan replied, no, never. Then Mohan said, it will be fun. Please bring sandwiches, fruit and your water bottle. Finally, a teacher said, read the history of the old fort and come. See you all tomorrow. So this is a paragraph where we have put all the commas, punctuation marks, okay, like comma, your question marks or full stops, capital letters, inverted commas, okay. So this is in your correct form. Then come to the pronunciation section, that is D2, read aloud the words written on the tomatoes, okay. So here are some words that you have to read out. Okay, first one is chance, once, attendance, balance, bounce. It sounds similar, okay. Chance, once, attendance, balance, bounce, okay. Then come to the next tomatoes, ends, entrance, prince, silence, announce. So all these words sound similar, okay. That end in NCE, also end in NCE. To work in pairs, fill in the blanks, missing letters to complete the NCE words. Then each make sentences using 3 of these words. Make sure you don't choose the same word, okay. That is, you have to work in pair and you have to fill in the missing letters to complete the NCE words. Then each make sentences using 3 of these words. So among these 3 words, you have to make the sentence and make sure you don't choose the same word, okay. And you don't have to choose the same word, okay. Okay, come to D2. Here some words given, okay, that we have to fill in the blank, that is D I dash dash E R dash and dash E, okay. So first one is your difference, okay. First one is difference, second one is advance, third one is sentence, fourth one is enhance, fourth one is your enhance, fifth one is your penance, and sixth one is your maintenance, okay. And you have to use these words and make one sentence each, okay. You have to use only 3 words. So the first word is difference. The sentence is, there is a difference between tail and tail advance. The new Honda bikes comes with advanced features. Sentence, write these sentences carefully, okay. We use the 3 words and also have we have written the sentence of each of the words, okay. So this is all about our today's videos, and just we have completed chapter number 9, exercise of chapter number 9, that is the Tomatina. Hope you have understood it clearly, and I want to suggest you that you should do the answers along with the क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर लिखना है। बार बार मैं कह रहा हूँ, हर वीडियो में एक चीज़ क्या बताऊंगा, ठीक है ना, क्या कि बाद में हमको या तुमको क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ठीक है ना। तो हर चीज़ को क्या है, पहले वीडियोस को देखो, you should watch all the videos, okay, once, and thereby you should do the question answer in your note copy, okay, in your main course note copy, okay. So we have completed chapter number 9, okay. So thank you all for your support that you are watching our videos, and keep on watching our all videos each and every subject. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe and watch all the videos.